awesome. Loved it. There was so many camels and it was a great experience. Tour guide was extremely knowledgeable and the camel sausage was amazing. There is a cafe at the working farm that sells many camel products. In this tour and product tasting package you get a free gelato too. Super worth it and I highly recommend. Check out Summer Land Camels on Google for their other offerings. I also went for a camel ride that I booked on their website. Discover the fascinating world of camels with a behind-the-scenes look at their lives. Take your visit to the next level with the popular hands-on camel experience, where the experienced and knowledgeable guides will teach you about the amazing survival abilities and unique anatomy of these majestic creatures. Alternatively, you can join us for a farm tour and taste, where you'll learn about the story of Summer Land Camels, their role on the farm, and get to sample some of the award-winning camel milk products. Come and visit the Homestead Cafe, which is accessible to everyone. You'll be able to enjoy a delicious breakfast, brunch, or lunch with a seasonal menu that showcases the award-winning products. The cafe is the only place where you can try the unique camel milk gelato or the famous camelcino. Don't forget to check out the farm store while you're here. The operator offers a wide range of award-winning camel milk products and souvenirs that you'll love. The store features the popular camel milk skincare range, the world's first camel milk vodka, and some fantastic gifts that you won't find anywhere else.